how to add a product page on your Wix website in just a few easy steps. This is perfect if you want to start selling products or services directly from your site. First, go to your Wix website editor. Once you're on your dashboard, click the search bar at the top and type Wix Stores. When it appears in the results, click on it to open the Wix Stores app. Next, click Add to Site. Wix will automatically install the store for you and add all the important pages, including the product page, shop page, and cart page, right into your site. Once it's added, you can go to the Store Manager to start adding your products. Just click Add Product, upload your images, write a description, set your price, and customize the layout. You can also choose how your product page looks and feels to match your website style. And that's it. You've successfully added a product page to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tips. Thanks for watching.